in that list, just through A through D, you've seen that, you know, some of these titles are slightly different, but it's the same job, right? And then, you know, we have, we'll just go through a couple of these. You can see the rest, you know, below. But, you know, front-end developer, help desk specialist, help desk technician, same thing. IT support manager, IT support specialist, IT systems administrator. And, you know, the list goes on to, you know, .NET developer, network engineer, network architect, and then you get some senior roles, senior applications engineers, senior network architect, senior programmer, senior support specialist, senior system administrator, and this kind of spirals from there, right? So those, you know, again, you're gonna have to look at the link. I'll try to throw this in the video somehow if I can. But these are the different titles of these positions, so the different types. So just to kind of touch base, you know, application stuff, if you are into developing applications, some kind of software, if you are into, you know, any type of web development, or, you know, like PHP, Ajax, there's C++, there's Java, you know, these are all different types of programming that, you know, in my opinion, or as I see it, they all fall in line with some type of programming, because, you know, to be a web developer outside of being a graphic designer, which are two different things. You can be a web developer and not know how to design anything, right? You're just developing a web page, you're not designing a web page, right? So you need to know how to code. So, you know, do you know how to code Java? Do you know how to code PHP, or, you know, what have you, right? So it's all different programming, and there's, of course, you know, the application stuff with, you know, games. You know, if you want to develop games, you know, you don't necessarily have to be, again, a graphic designer to develop games, because there's a lot of work done on the back end that supports you developing a game, and that's all code. So if something like that interests you, if you like coding things, if math, you're good at math, but see, to me, in my opinion, math is coding and developing and programming. That all counts like really, I guess, you really have to be pretty smart if you can program. I'm not. I cannot program. I cannot program. That is not where I am in my career. So I cannot really do that stuff. I started off doing web development, HTML, CSS, stuff like that. Hate it. Can't stand it. Never good at it. Stuff like that interests you, you know, like I said, developing programming, making games, making applications for your phone, making applications for the computer, stuff like that interests you, then, you know, thing, really. I mean, it's the same thing. Somebody's going to disagree with me. I'm waiting for it. But anyway, you know, then those are kind of your low tier positions, and then of course you go into the senior type of positions, IT or senior support analyst, senior support technician, you know, stuff like that. Again, those are the type of jobs where you're going to be more hands-on with a lot of troubleshooting and basically kind of different types of Windows environments and stuff like that, where you're, you know, eventually hopefully going to become like a systems administrator where you are administrating servers and stuff like that. So that's the next in line is, you know, your server administration. So you are mainly tied down to a lot of the server work, virtual machines, your Exchange server, you know, any type of application that requires a server. You're pretty far deep into that with your system administration. From there, you can go into network technician. So you handle a lot of, you know, maybe you handle VPN stuff, maybe you handle your WatchGuard stuff, and I'm failing here, firewall stuff like that. Maybe that's something that a network technician would start off doing, and then you get to, you know, network engineer, network administrator, where you're really diving deep into all the switch stuff and all of the VPN stuff and all of your firewall stuff, and you're just a genius on all this networking stuff. And if that stuff interests you, that's the type of route that you want to go. And you know, networking is fun, and it's difficult to learn at first, but it's definitely a lot of fun. It's a very well-paying job. So if you're interested in networking, there you go. You know, get your CCNA, look into that, or any type of security network associate's degree or anything like that. That's where you want to go. You know, networking, great, definitely a great paying job. From there, let's see. You know, then after that, you know, I mean, honestly, there's so many different things that you could really touch on, because there's going to be so many different titles, but it's generally the same thing, and you're generally doing the same thing. But of course, there's, you know, IT director, director of technology, CIO, chief information officer, what have you, right? That's top of the line. That's you not doing really much of any of the work related to computers, related to any type of programming, whatever. The chief technology officer